Whoa. Oh my gosh. Good morning, you guys. Currently 8:26. It's Sunday. I'm just getting everything ready because my dad and I are going to Aspen to do a nice, fun little hike there. Very excited. We're gonna drive up there today, chill, do the hike all day tomorrow. And then in the evening, actually go to the hot springs. That'll be a lot of fun. But right now, I'm just trying to cram all this crap into my bag. So I have a vlog of it where it's like Aspen vlog or whatever. And we're going to the same place, just doing like a different route. So like hiking a different part of the mountain that I did last time. So I've actually never done this hike before. So, all right, let's set off for this little tiny road. Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are here at the lovely Maroon Bells, and we are starting our, how many miles is it?
13.
13-mile hike, actually? Up and down or up?
Up into Crested Butte and then back over.
And then back over, all right? So here we go, haven't even started. This is our mile 1, and we're off. Okay, 1 mile update. We have gained 487 feet in elevation. Feeling good, Dad?
Great.
He's feeling great. Okay, we have 12 miles to go, so let's keep going. Made it to the first lake, or is this the only lake? I guess the second lake, and then we get to the hard part. Up that mountain. All the way up there. Alright, we made it to our first little like river crossing place. Dad's peeing right there, so I'm gonna go over here. It's mild, I would say it's mild. Wait for him to finish peeing and then we'll go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh wow, check that out. Okay, here we go. Oh, we're getting wet. Getting wet. Oh, it's freezing. Squish, squish. Whoa.
Cold mountain water.
Yeah. Woo. They're soaked now.
You were standing in it.
Yeah, I was. Kind of. I just didn't want to fall, you know, lose my footing. Yeah, it was really cold. My toes are cold now. Oh, and we're at 2 miles. 2 mile check-in. How's everyone feeling?
My feet are cold.
Ditto, I agree. It'll get, it helps with swelling, you know, vasoconstrict a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're at 3 miles. We took a little snack break in this little meadow thing. Feeling good. Now we head up for 10 more miles. Well, not, but you know. We have to cross this. About to get
our first of 2 big river crossings.
About to get wet. It looks a little better up there than it is like right there. All right, here we go. We made it. Wet. We took the shoes off, took our socks off, shoes back on. Now we put the dry socks back on and the shoes, and we have another one to cross and a little bit down. That didn't make sense. We have another one to cross. And then we have to cross it all when we come back too, so won't be dry for very long.
You got it, Bella. You got it.
That's cold.
How's it feel?
Chilly. Woo. Okay, we're at 4 miles. Well, a little bit past it because I forgot to click resume after our little snack break. Shoes are still wet, but feeling actually good. Feeling really great. We're in this beautiful meadow. Seems like we have a lot more to go, but that's totally fine. It's not too hot, not too cold. Weather's great. Overall, feeling good. Okay, we made it. We summited. Here's the beautiful view. Stunning. Time to eat some lunch. All right, I guess we're just gonna slide down this thing. Here we go. Oh gosh.
I don't want to eat this thing. Collapse this. The last thing I want to do
Is impale yourself?
You ready?
Hey, bye.
Okay, I'll see ya.
All right. Okay, my turn, I guess. Here we go.
Don't stop!
It's going so fast! Dad, I'm gonna crash into you! Okay, we made it to the bottom. Our feet are definitely hurting. We took a little detour that definitely added a little more time. I think I'm gonna take my socks off and my toenails are gonna come along with it. We're gonna go get some dinner and then change at the hotel and then soak our paws in the nice Glenwood Springs.
Gotta let the dogs out.
Yeah, let the dogs out because they are barking.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It's been fun. It's been real. Thanks, Maroon Bells. It's always a pleasure.